Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to review the new bundle. JS IBUKI. Japanese cruiser of the Aegis System Equipped Vessels Program. It is created with the idea of effectively combating hypersonic glide vehicles, boasting increased durability and good maneuverability. The ship is equipped with multiple missile systems, including such anti-ship cruise missile systems as Tomahawk and Type 12, which combined act as a powerful deterrent to any surface threats. Additionally, the installment of multiple anti-aircraft systems, supported by special HPLS and ASAM samples, provide a reliable protection from aerial attacks.